Hi, I'm Steven with Wire Ninjas, and today we're validating Cat6. In our last episode, we focused on terminations, terminating RJ45, keystones, punchdowns, and this video we're going to keep it straightforward. We have 3 client testers, 3 cables, and the same test sequence for each one. This is not an in-depth breakdown of each tool, it's a quick introduction of these testers and their use case. Our 3 test cables are a known good Cat6, an incorrectly wired Cat6, and an open fault Cat6 where 2 pairs were cut. We'll run all 3 cables on each tester to see which best fits your needs. Klein LAN Scout Jr. This tier is designed for fast, reliable confirmation of pin-out integrity. Open, shorts, miswires, and split pair faults. Known good cable, we want a clean pass. Incorrectly wired cable. It should identify the wiring fault immediately. Open fault cable. The tester should flag the open on the affected pairs. Klein VDV Scout Pro. This tier is built for validating multiple drops effectively, especially if you're mapping and verifying more than one run in a small home or a small site. Known, good, pass. Incorrectly wired, flagged. Open, fault, flagged. Klein Scout Pro 3. This tier is for regular installation work where speed, consistency, and broader validation is the priority. The design is support for larger workflow with more drops, more identification capability, and more job site relevant checks. Known, good, pass. Incorrectly wired, flagged. Open, fault, flagged. The takeaway is simple. Every tester here supports core wire map verification, but as you move up tiers, you gain more effective workflow for validating multiple runs and maintaining consistent results across the entire project. These are some of the ways Wire Ninjas validates data cabling. Clean work, built right, built once. Thank you again for watching and subscribe for more.